Welcome to the TPC Desktop video series. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new Tangent Intersect features available in TPC Desktop 2018. I've got a file a user sent us here, and we're going to use the Tangent Intersect to compute a 5-foot offset from a power line down here. Looks like we've got a overhead power line coming in, and we want to create a right-of-way that the east edge of it is the corner of this property here. And we want that line to come down 5 feet away from this power pole. So we don't know this bearing coming down, so we can't create a perpendicular bearing going into the power pole. So we can't use a bearing intersect. We have to use a tangent intersect. So let's see how that works. I'm just going to drop up here real quick, and we're going to see that that's point IN5, and then down here on the power pole, we're going to see that we've already created this point R1W, and that's the correct computation or the correct location for this tangent intersect we're going to create, but I wanted to have that point there so we could just compare it when we're all said and done. So let me show you where that tool is at. We go to COGO, Tangent Intersect. We're going to tell Traverse PC that we want to use IN5 for the point we're going to go through. Now this could be a single point or it could be another tangent if we want. In this case, we just want IN5. And I could have used the chevron here to pick that right out of the drawing. I'm going to use that chevron to pick our power pole. So that's PP2, and I'm going to give it this 5 foot. Okay. So now Traverse PC says, looking from 1 to 2, so from this IN5 to the north to PP2 at the south, I created 2 intersections left and right. Of course, the left one would be over here where we want it at RW1. The right one would be on the other side, like an RW2 or whatever we want to call that. So let's go ahead and just tell Traverse PC we want to save and plot this. See what we got? Got an int2 right over the top of that RW1 that we computed earlier. And we're just going to do a real quick random inverse here. Go to COGO. And let's do a random inverse at the top. And let's pick R1. And of course, we get a 0 distance, exactly what we would expect. So Traverse PC just computed this point in the right location. Now, what if we wanted the other one as well? So we're going to save, plot it, and here's our int2. So it's over on the other side of the power pole. You can just drag that label over if we want. So we've created int1 to the left, this int2r to the right, and by definition, the line from int1, int5 coming down from the north, passing through int2l and to the power pole creates this 90-degree perpendicular tangent here. So just kind of a case in point, real-world example of how that tangent intersect feature works in TPC Desktop 2018.